This Roger Dubuis has a cool feature that you've never seen before. Find out what it is. This video is brought to you by Shiva's Gold and Gems. The Roger Dubuis Excalibur Spider Pirelli Edition is the timepiece collaboration with the world-renowned tire company Pirelli. The case is 45mm in diameter and 14+ mm in thickness. Inside is the RD820 SQ skeletonized movement that is equal measures avant-garde and haute horology. This micro-rotor caliber is very much decorated. If you don't trust our word, the Geneva seal on the dial should be more than enough to convince you. This watch showcases a DLC-coated titanium case and various interchangeable parts. Cars and watches have a very organic relationship as both are used for sports. This watch takes it to a whole different level, hyper level even. This is also design and tech blended together in one distinct aesthetics. The lightweight titanium case feels almost weightless on the wrist but never feels cheap as some may feel about this metal. It is 45mm, so smaller wrists beware. There is no complication on this model. Just pure hours and minutes to set, and the rest is all about style and execution. The crown is unthreaded and the only stop is for setting the time. Every gear is observable for the wearer's viewing pleasure. With its intricate caliber structure, a closer examination is obligatory and bliss-inducing. The movement is designed in a way to show the most open space possible while exposing all the mechanical parts. Every facet, however narrow they may be, are finished with perlogis and unglages. Watchmaking at its truest form. This is officially recognized by the Canton of Geneva, a feat only a few achieve. So far, we sped through the typical selling points of a Roger Dubuis. This, however, holds the distinction of being one of the best execution of a collaboration on a watch. F1 cars are known for their quick pit stops. This Excalibur takes that same concept and applied it on their timepieces. The bezel comes with a texture and bicolor design, but this can be swapped out for a different style of your choosing. Other variants are available, so the combinations are numerous. The strap is also interchangeable, with this one sporting an actual piece of rubber from a race-winning car tire. Each piece includes a certificate of authenticity and bears the actual specific tire registration it came from. The straps also share this same clasp with a clever twisting mechanism that locks the piece in place. You can easily detach this from the previous strap and install it to the one you feel like wearing for the day. This also makes use of the slim-formed leaf spring clasp that makes even wearing the clasp fast and easy. The buckle is also made of DLC-coated titanium to ensure all of the models match each other. Assembling the parts together is very convenient, but with proper attachment points and mechanisms. These straps have metal latches that click into place once you slide the strap onto the case. This same innovative way of part swapping is applied on the bezel, where indicators are aligned to lock the bezel into its position. The crown is also customizable, completing the effect. By concept and execution, Roger Dubuis and Pirelli achieves the dynamic between motorsports and watchmaking that renders all the rest rather pedestrian. While other brands are like Civics changing their tires, this Excalibur Spider with Pirelli is a millisecond crunching pit stop champion of hyper horology. I feel that Roger Dubuis is one of those brands that we're not talking about enough. Maybe it's time we change that.